how to use supervision on Messenger. So Facebook app and Messenger app now have supervision features which allow parents to control what their teenagers are doing. So you can see how much your teen has spent on Messenger of the last week, their average daily time for the week. Set daily time limits, how much time your teen can spend on Messenger. Set scheduled breaks from the app for their teen. See their teen's Messenger contacts. See their teen's settings for who can message. See their teen settings for story controls. And with supervision as a teen, you can see a preview what parent sees. Choose to notify their parent after reporting something on Messenger. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you can just start it. To set it up, you need to basically create an invite link. So just, yeah, you need to tap menu, then tap settings, tap supervision, review the information on the screen and tap next, and just tap create invite. And then you will, so this is you're doing in Messenger app. Also, as I understand, you can do it from Facebook app. You need to go again to the menu in Facebook app, tap on settings and tap on friends and family center, and then create an invite link. You need to know that the invite link is only valid for like 48 hours. Otherwise, you need to recreate it. So that's basically the idea. And yeah, then that's how you do it. So that's the process in here. So that's what it is.